bit better.
Yeah, something like that.
You can improve.
Bob
2.0.
All right, Ellsworth Racing here. We got a couple boxes from Hawk Performance. Super excited about Hawk Performance. They've been helping us out quite a bit lately, and all this stuff works really well. Heavy. Brake stuff is heavy. Come on. Come on.
Ooh, we got stickers, Bob.
Stickers? These are your dynamic torque controls. So it's a race pad, and I can tell by the shape of the Viper pad. DTC60s. That's a good pad. That's the pad I ran last year. These are our Viper pads. So apparently we've got some Viper pads here. Big brakes on the Vipers. We got big old boxes here. I really hope they send me a box full of hats and stuff. That'd be cool. Just saying, we can use some hats.
Yeah.
I like hats and swag. Maybe we'll get another box, with some stickers and some good stuff.
It's all good stuff, Bob.
It's all good stuff.
It's all good stuff. It's from Hawk Performance.
Anything from Hawk Performance is good. So an important thing about brake pads is you got to really match them to what you're going to do. You got to match them to your application.
What are you going to do, Bob?
Well, we're going to race.
What are you going to apply, Bob?
We're going to apply our brakes. So an important thing to know about your brake pads is you got to pick out brakes according to how you're going to use them. So if you're looking for a street pad, you want something that's low dust, it's quiet, stuff like that.
Does Hawk sell those pads?
Yes, they do. They got different compounds in the same heat ranges that'll help you tune your bias and stuff, and to suit your car and your driving style.
What's your driving style, though?
I crash. My driving style is like dirt track, and you just drive way in there, slam on the brakes, and then when the car is aimed the right direction, hopefully you can get on the throttle before you spin off into the weeds. Did you stop playing with that?
Kind of like you at the Motorsports right there, Bob?
At National Motorsports.
NCM there in Kentucky, Bob?
Let it right out. But that's not Hawk's fault.
Gosh, you're pretty good.
That's just driver error there,
Yeah, we could say it's the proportioning valve, right? But are you done harping on it? Are you done playing that little fiddle?
I think I had the proportioning valve set too far to the
my
back.
proportioning valve! You looked fast until you weren't. I'll give you that.
Looked fast until I was off in the toolies.
I think
on the
you need to
rhubarb.
turn this way.
There you go. Now you're thinking. We had a couple wins. We had a couple good finishes this year. That mullet going, that's good. You gotta get that mullet going. Little dude driving around in a Viper with a mullet, that's that guy. Talk to him. He'll get you some swag. Maybe we'll give you a Hawk brake pad sticker.
Keep it classy out there.
Keep it classy. Hawk brake pad is great stuff. Hawk will get you set up. You tell them what you're doing and telling them what you're doing with your car and stuff, and they can usually give you a pretty good idea.
Someone's in.
What the best compound is for your particular application, and get you set up on the right direction. Anything else you got? Any other jabs you want to get in there, Ray?
Nope. Not yet.
If there's anywhere on your on any performance car or even your street vehicle where you shouldn't cut corners, and that's
made in USA.
That's your brakes. You gotta be able to stop. And made in America, made in the USA. We're a huge fan of.
I'm a big fan.
I'm a big fan of made in the USA.
No jokes.
And we're huge fans of made in the USA. And then the great thing about Hawk is they support grassroots racers. They support your low budget
little guys.
and we're little guys. So
I'm little.
We're little guys, and we're happy to have.
I'm a little guy.
That's for sure.
I need support.
Yeah, we need some support. Well, the great thing about Hawk is they're huge sponsors of a lot of your SCCA racing and some of your local tracks.
I think you wrap it up with I'm faster than you and I'm a better driver than you, and that's all it. That's a wrap.
You were faster than me one time, dude. I've been faster than this guy everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go. The only time that we had light tires. The same tires.
I'm faster than you on foot. I'm faster than you on a bicycle. I'm faster than you on a lawnmower. There ain't nothing. I'd be faster on an escalator than you.
I'll be putting the hurt on you. Don't worry.
Anytime I get a box from Hawk, that makes me happy. And if you're sitting there at home thinking, I don't care what makes this guy happy, well, I just say to that, you sound a lot like my wife. So,
you know what I'd say?
Your mileage may vary.
I think anybody at home should just buy some pads and see if it makes them happy.
That's what I'm saying. That's the challenge. I challenge you buy a set of these
some
pads. You
and
tell me
maybe-
if it doesn't make you happy.
Maybe it'll bring a smile to you.
It's gonna bring a smile on your face. I guarantee you that.
You need to put a little whoa on your Joe.
If you're
Buy a
someone that
little hot
appreciates a
break
good break, I think maybe you gotta take a break sometime.
I think we need to take a break.
We could take a break.
I think we should be done with this.
We're really excited about 2021. We've got a lot of great companies helping us out. We've got a lot of really cool events on our schedule. You're killing me. Anyway, we've got a lot of great events on our schedule, and you know, if my boss is watching, I'd like some time off. I need a little time off.
We need money.
I need a little time off.
We can't afford this.
I swear to God, I want to work for you. Just a weekend.
Just
here.
on our own terms.
A 3-day weekend here and there, buddy. Come on. Just can't say enough about Hawk Performance. We're very excited to have their support. And they make great stuff, and we just appreciate the support. You know, everything helps, and you can't attack the track if you don't have confidence in your brakes and
Have
braking
confidence,
sections.
Bob.
You know, I don't want to get into it, but I did at one point have brake fade at the
You
track.
did. I was there, Bob.
And that was terrifying. I can't believe I didn't wreck my car.
What did your driving instructor do, Bob?
Well, I had a driver's instructor in the car.
Okay, what did you do?
And
Where'd he go?
once the vehicle had stopped and we got back to the pits, he left that car and he never got back in. I never seen the guy again. Couldn't find him. I couldn't find him in the pits.
My favorite.
I had one more session that day where he was supposed to be with me, my driving instructor, and he was nowhere to be found. He was not going to get back in that car. He wasn't going to be anywhere near me or that car.
I wouldn't.
So,
I wouldn't ride with you.
So ever since, but now that we've got better stuff, you know, we got Hawk Performance pads, we got Hawk Performance fluid in our cars, we got brake cooling ducts on.
Got it all.
Haven't had any problems since. But after that, it took a while to get my confidence back up, because when you're coming into a corner at 140 miles an hour and you pull for the brakes and nothing there, that's code brown. People will tell you that'd be a code brown moment.
Confidence. Gotta have confidence.
Gotta have confidence. Confidence is key. There's a lot of speed to be made up in the braking zones, braking areas.
Gotta make up that speed, Bob.
A lot of time to make up there, and if you don't have good brakes, you know, you're just not gonna get there. You know.
No, you're not gonna get there, Bob.
I did have
Lap after lap.
lap after lap.
Count on Hawk brake pads. You gotta count on.
You can count on.
They're freaking there.
You count on. Bet the farm on.
You bet the farm on it. You're betting the farm. I mean, I'll tell you what.
You are betting the farm. You come into a corner at
Can't
that
hardly afford the
speed.
car I'm driving out there.
Yeah, you come into a
I'm
corner at
betting
that
the whole
speed.
thing.
Yeah, you
Right
come into a
on
corner
the
at speed
brake
and the brakes aren't there. You're gonna be
Financial ruin.
Yeah,
You're gonna be say I will never financially recover from this.
You're gonna be putting that car in the trailer in 5-gallon buckets.
You're gonna be calling
It's
me
gonna be just giblets.
Calling me
everywhere.
Ray Exotic.
They're gonna be raking
Camel
your car
King.
up.
Oh, shit.
Oh gosh.
Jesse Motorsports Racing.
I'll put that in there somewhere. Shout out Jesse Clemens Racing for the sweet
swag.
That sweet swag, dude.
Here comes the octopus. Ooh, there's a part of the car in the shot.
So far, 46 seconds of garbage.
You know what Josh says, dude? You need to look at the camera like it's your best friend.